first going to be applying my heat protectant spray. You don't want to leave out this step because it's very important. We want to protect our hair as much as we can. This is a leave-in tonic. It detangles, adds shines, heat protects up to 450 degrees. And it's by Not Your Mother's. I love this stuff so much, and it's their natural brand, so it's more clean and better for the environment. I'm just gonna spray this everywhere. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to be adding my Living Proof Perfect Day Hair 5-in-1 treatment. This is for blow drying your hair, which is kind of what we're gonna be doing, just to help create a really good blowout. This was not the right top for this video, but we're gonna make it work anyways. I'm gonna part it. And I have bangs, so I'm just gonna pin those back too. This is my blowout brush from Revlon. I don't really remember what it's called, but it kind of like just gives you that straightened look but with a volume. I like to use this more than one of those round brushes because I feel like my hair comes out with those round brushes, so I just try to stay away from those. I really like this. It's really easy to use. Oops, dropped the cord. This is really easy to use, so I'm obsessed with this. You could do cool, low, or high, and I like to put it on high just because I feel like the cool doesn't really do anything.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here.
Now that my hair is done, I actually did my bangs off camera. I had to get them wet and it was like a whole process. If you want to see how I do my bangs, then I can definitely make a video on that. They're curtain bangs, but they're kind of like the short curtain bangs to where you can make them bang bangs. You can make them bangs if you want them to be bangs, basically is what I'm trying to say. Now that I'm done with my hair, I'm going to use my Renewing Plus Argan Oil and Morocco. This is a weightless healing dry oil, and it says this exotic precious formula infused with argan oil of Morocco helps to rapidly infuse hair with sheer reveal of shine, giving color, highlights, and a multi-faced glow, and it also tames flyaways. This is by OGX, Pure Beauty and Simple. Got this at Kroger actually. I've tried their coconut oil spray and it's really nice, so I wanted to try out this one. And I like that it's not a spray. I like that it's a spray so I don't have to get my fingers all gross, like touching the oil and putting it through my hair. And now I'm just gonna brush my hair. This is a wet brush. Love it, I've had it for a while. To add some more volume in my hair, I'm going to use the Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. This smells like toasted coconuts. What is that? This is a product by Care. I've had this for so long. I don't even know how long I've had this. But it still works. It's a oil sheen with humidity block spray. I really like this stuff. I think it really helps the humidity because okay, let me tell you. When I got my hair done, like the first day, he curled it, my hairstylist curled it, and I went outside to walk my dogs. I came back in and my whole head was so frizzy. I look like a poof fest, so I really like this stuff. I really feel like it works. And this is the final look. It's nothing too crazy. It's basically straight hair, but with volume. I'm obsessed. I love that blow dryer straightener thing so much. I am not good at doing blowouts with like the little round brush, so I don't even mess with that. I'm obsessed. For my second look, I'm gonna be using heated rollers. I haven't used heated rollers since high school, and I totally forgot how amazing they are because I'm obsessed. It's just so easy to use. You can do your hair, and then while the curls are sitting, you can do your makeup, and it's just so easy, and I'm obsessed. I am going to heat my rollers and I'll be right back.
Can I shed a tear? Can you?
It just started raining, so if you hear that in the background, I'm so sorry. But you know, there's a hurricane going through. Not where I am, but we're getting some of the rain from it. I'm gonna start off with my smaller barrels. There's also a little bit of a bigger barrel, and we're gonna use those at the top of the head. I've been doing this wrong for so many years. Like, I just learned how to actually do my hair with rollers. So I'm gonna first off by sectioning the top and the bottom. It's really coming down. Oh crap. Okay, now that I'm sectioned off, I'm gonna start off by using the rollers going away from my head. And you make sure that the ends are tucked in. I learned that from Brad Mondo, because you don't want them like sticking out. It's not cute. Just roll up. And it has a little clip with it. You're gonna clip it in.
Oh, so baby, can you love it? I really want that lullaby. So love
the bigger barrels, they're not that much bigger, which is actually great because my hair is thin and kind of short. For the rest of the curlers, I'm going to create more volume at the top by going underneath instead of curling away from the head. Just like that. Flip it. And we're just going to do that for the rest of the hair.
Let me know, why you always so tired.
Now that that is done, I'm going to let them cool off and sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll be back to show you the result.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl.
Now I'm just going to fluff it. Now I'm going to brush them all out. And there you have it. This is the final look. Super easy. I'm going to let the curls fall out throughout the day just to give like a more natural look. And then the next day it'll probably just be slight waves. And I love this. It's so easy. And you can definitely like fix the curls how you want them. Sometimes they go in all different directions, just like depending on your hair type. Mine's kind of coarse still from bleaching. I now have like gingerish hair now, like it's like a strawberry blonde right now. I'm gonna go darker, I think, but right now it's kind of just like not wanting to do certain waves, but I think I really like this look a lot. And that's all I have for you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
You know I'm carrying the world, so just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the